What is the area of the region in the first quadrant bounded by the graph of y equals e to the 2x and the line x equals 4? Quadrant 1 only. So let's draw quadrant 1 only. E to the 2x looks a little something like this. Okay? So you care about stuff that happens between 0, because it's first quadrant, and 4, because it's that. And so we need to find the area trapped in here. Well, that's just the integral. I mean, if you're thinking about area between curves, that's okay, but that's just the integral. So I'm going to take the integral from 0 to 4 of e to the 2x dx. Now this is going to be integration by u substitution. So let's let u equal 2x, which means du dx is going to be 2. And if I flip-flop the dx and the 2, that ends up making du over 2 equal to dx. So the integral that I can set up now is my limits are 0 to 4, and those are the x values, by the way, not u values, of e to the u du over 2. So let's pull out the 1/2 before I do anything, because there's no need to keep that there. 0 to 4, e to the u, du. The integral of e to the u is e to the u, so I have 1/2 times e to the u, where my limits are still 0 and 4, but again, those have to do with x. So now I need to plug the x back in. Since I let u equal 2x, I now have 1/2 e to the 2x, where my limits are 0 and 4. All right, so let's plug those in. 1/2 e to the 2 times 4 minus 1/2 e to the 2 times 0 which is 1/2 e to the 8th minus 2 times 0 is 1, so 1/2 e to the 1 is 1/2. And what I could do here is I could pull out the 1/2, and I'm left with e to the 8 minus 1, which is going to be b.